guys, so I'm going to let you hear the sound of the stock exhaust on the Ninja 636. Now I'm going to give you a little background on this. I initially changed my stock exhaust to the M4 exhaust. And I love the sound of the M4 exhaust. When I bought this bike, the two popular exhausts were the M4 and the Two Brothers exhaust. Okay? So, the reason why I decided to go with the M4 exhaust, and here we go, we got a motorcyclist coming up on our left here. Let's check him out. Where's the fire buddy? Alright, he's enjoying himself. Oh, see that car come out? He was zipping along. Alright, so getting back to the video. So the reason why I bought this M4 exhaust was because I had seen a rider named Mark Nowhereman. He had this very exact same bike, the Ninja 636 2013 model. And he was riding with the M4 exhaust in the canyons, and it sounded awesome. Alright, and I bought it. I had it put on the bike, and I literally kept it for maybe 7 to 10 days, and then I put my stock exhaust back on. I love the sound of it, but it was like starting a lawnmower at like 5 in the morning. So I decided to remove the M4 exhaust and put the stock exhaust back on. Alright, now I can tell you that this exhaust is super loud. Like, it's not as loud as all the other exhausts, the aftermarket exhaust, but it's loud enough. Really, guys. Alright, so let me put the kickstand down. I'm going to start the bike, and I'm going to rev the throttle. Now, the bike is warmed up, so it's 229 Fahrenheit. The bike has to be at 140 to be warmed up, so it's very warmed up to do this. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to start the bike. Now, you know, I'm trying to talk over the exhaust, over the engine, and you can hear that it's pretty loud. Alright? Alright, so here we go. Alright, so let's take a look at the exhaust. Alright, it's pretty cool looking. Alright, really, really cool looking. It's a nice looking exhaust. Blends in nicely, you know, with the bike. Alright, so here we go. Ready? It's super loud. One more. Alright, guys, I mean, that would basically wake up the dead. Literally. It's really, really loud. Here it is from this side. Alright, I mean, it is super loud, and you know, it's a stock exhaust, so it sounds really good. They've got this exhaust dialed right into the motorcycle. With the M4 exhaust, what you need is an ECU. So I used that for about 7 to 10 days, and I just decided to go back to the stock exhaust, which is plenty loud for me. I kind of like a quieter ride, but I just love the sound of the M4 exhaust, and I will link his YouTube channel in the description. And that's one of the reasons why I bought this bike. I was debating on whether to buy the Ninja 636 or the R6. Okay, the Yamaha R6. Back when it had that cool look in the front, you know. Now they've changed it. I'm not too keen about how the R6 looks right now. It'll grow on me, as all the changes usually do. It takes a while for you to kind of accept it. But that's why I bought this bike. I bought this bike because of Mark Nowhereman. I just love the Kawi green. And I loved the M4 exhaust, how it sounded when he was riding through the canyons. It looks so awesome. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. It's a pretty spot.